You can take her off leash, Jenny.
Good.
She's fine.
That was very good.
Good job.
Come with me.
Woo! I would take her off leash.
He doesn't want to get off the table. Come on, honey. Nice and cute.
Nice. Tunnel. Good. Front cross, front cross.
Go ahead and keep a hold of her because
cross.
you're going to be running this way.
This is why Mom is not letting her off the leash.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'll protect her. I'll be in front of Joy. Good job. She thinks she's a cattle dog. Wow, good job.
Table.
5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go.
Come on.
Woo-hoo!
Hey, help.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.